So today we're making Ube Moron. We'll try to make it. I never done it before. I did the suman, the cassava, but not the Ube Moron. So I use this one, and I use like 2 of this, and then a can of this coconut milk. And for this one, we use the glutinous rice and just this ordinary rice, regular rice, coconut milk, and let me wash my hand, not clean my hand, sugar, and I put sugar also on this mix. So we're gonna mix them together, and then we put it in the heat, the stove. Oh, it's a messy one. So I put it in medium heat, and then we're gonna stir it occasionally. It's hard to stir with one hand. It's so like a paste. So now it forms like this. This is very sticky. You need power to mix. So now this is done. We're gonna do this next. What you doing, my love? See? Oh, are you sleepy? So look at our ube mix. So yummy. And we have the leaves, banana leaves, and we have the just glutinous rice, I mean the mixture. So I don't know why I make a noise. I need to mix and mix. So this is our magic now. So we to do this one at a time. Put some heat on it, so when we put our Ube Moron mixture and roll it, it doesn't break the leaves. So this is how we make the Ube Moron. We're gonna have the white one and then the purple. So it's like we twist. So we are steaming our Ube Moron. I put for 35 minutes, so we'll check it out after 35 minutes. So our Ube Moron is done last night, and look what one of them opened the banana leaf. Look how so yummy. So let's eat.